Hey, I'm Chris.
I'm Lindsay.
And today we're doing the hesitations in the Viennese Waltz.
Let's get started.
Alright, lead us footwork for the hesitations in Viennese Waltz. I'm going to go forward on my left foot first. It is one step forward on my left foot, one step backwards on my right foot, to the side of my left foot, and to the side of my right foot. So it is forward, I collect, back, collect, side, side, and with timing I go 1, hold, 2, hold, 3, hold, 4, hold.
All right, now time for the follower step. We're gonna go back on our right, forward on our left, side on our right, and side on our left. And with the timing, I go 1, hold, 2, hold, 3, hold, 4, hold.
Hesitation with counts. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Alright, so the key points for the hesitations in the Viennese Waltz. So as we dance this, what's important is we can take this casual hold, we can pick it up, we can put it down, but with our footwork, then I'm going to bend before I go walk. If I'm very, very stiff and I just kind of walk this through, we just have to have balance on each cut, on each side, and it feels kind of jumpy. If I lower first, then I push off my standing leg to go take a step, I lower again, then I push off my standing leg, I lower again, my right or left foot we're pushing off to go to the side, and then push for the last time. We have this kind of sway to it because we always bend to move in each direction.
And the hardest part about it is keeping with the music because it is rather slow. So you just want to do what you said, keep really connected to the floor and try to use both feet. So don't get there right away. Go 1, hold exactly. Do what Chris did. You want to drag your foot, keeping pressure into the floor every time. That way you feel balance and control instead of wobbly and off time.
Thank you for watching the Hesitations in Viennese Waltz. I'm Chris.
And I'm Lindsay. And be sure to check out all of our other wedding stuff. We have a bunch of, we have Foxy, Rumba, a bunch of different kinds of songs for you. And we're going to come out with some other cool stuff very soon. See you next time.
This is Ballroom.